Hello, everyone on YouTube. This is Playing with the Dog. Get it. Did you get it? Or did you lose it? Oh. Oh. Come here, you. Play more? He loves playing. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him hot. Yeah, you like playing, don't you? Behind you! Okay. Let's give you a treat. He doesn't wear his collar in the house, so you take it off. Well, aren't you so cute? Oh, yes, he is cute. Hi. Done. What am I doing down here? I must be losing my mind. Maybe. Oh. There he is. He's happy. I come in here. Now we're in my room. You should see him when we take him outside. He loves playing. Huh. Does somebody do my job? Where'd he go? Yeah. Back in here. Ready to play more? Okay. Yeah. Let me see. It's better. Come here. Come on. Don't make me get the leash. Sit. He's in his playtime. Well, this camera's cloudy. don't like optical zoom on this camera. Come here. Come on. Ow. Stupid thing. I'll fix that in a minute. After a tiring day of school, feels good to get back into the Yes, you are correct. You are in the Vietnamese music room. Let's just swap it out with the card reader, with the flash drive, and turn this old sucker on. Oh. You know my Lasco 20-inch box fan and my old 25-second videos? Well, 25 actually. It died. All the windings melted at the point of turning on. And Ryan the Herm Vixen, oops, if you still need a switch for your GE in that video with your 3 box fans, let me know. I'll mail it to you. Well, thank you for watching this video. Oh, don't tell me you're not going to start up. Yep, it ain't going to do it. I didn't turn it on. It's tilting on the camera. Oh, I got to plug in all the amp stuff again.